Stuff that might happen in the future can't happen now because we are in the present. And the trick is to focus on what's happening in this instant. There is so much taking place all around us in this very moment. So much that it is amazing and wondrous and wonderful. A beautiful balance of things is happening. Events are unfolding at every reach and depth of this planet. All at once, it is both autumn and spring, day and night, dawn and dusk. In this moment in time, there are millions of species sharing this world with us. Harmony of living things dwelling at every mountain peak and ocean floor. Think of the thousands of languages spoken. Such an abundance of souls roam this earth. All of us are sharing a common journey. Each of us wishing and wondering, breathing this air and seeing the sky. Just imagine the billions of hearts that are beating, kisses being kissed, dreams being dreamt, and life being lived. And since at any given moment, the present moment is all we ever have, in this instance, in this magnificent moment, we have everything.